One of the greatest traders who ever lived, Paul Tudor Jones, does not spend his day thinking about how to make money. He spends it thinking about how not to lose it. And that single backwards idea is the whole secret to risk management. Most traders obsess over the perfect entry. The great ones obsess over what happens when they are wrong. So today I am giving you 3 of Paul Tudor Jones's rules for ironclad risk management, the kind that keeps you in the game long after the gamblers have blown up. The third one is the one almost nobody has the humility to follow. Here is the mindset shift that changes everything. Paul Tudor Jones has said the most important rule of trading is to play great defense, not great offense. Read that again. Not offense. Defense. Amateurs think trading is about being right and making money. Professionals know it is about controlling how much you lose when you are wrong, because you will be wrong, a lot, and that is completely normal. Your job is not to avoid losing trades. That is impossible. Your job is to make sure no single loss can ever take you out of the game. Protect the downside, and the upside takes care of itself. So rule number 1. Before you ever think about profit, think about protection. Paul Tudor Jones is famous for saying he is always more focused on defense than on making money. Your trading capital is not your scoreboard. It is your oxygen. Run out of it, and the game is simply over, no matter how good your ideas are. So flip your whole question around. Instead of asking, how much can I make on this trade, ask first, how much could I lose, and can I survive it? If the answer to surviving it is no, the trade does not exist. That is not fear. That is professionalism. Here is how you actually live this. Before every single trade, you decide the exact amount you are willing to lose, and you decide it before you enter, while your mind is calm. That number is small, a tiny slice of your account, never a piece big enough to hurt. Then you place your stop there and you honor it. No exceptions. No, just this once. A trader who knows his maximum loss before he enters is calm. A trader who does not is one bad candle away from panic. Defense is not something you feel. It is a number you set in advance. Rule number 2, and this is where most accounts are saved or destroyed. Cut your losses fast, and never, ever average down on a loser. When a trade goes against you and hits your line, you are out. No arguing, no hoping, no adding more to lower your average and prove you were right. Paul Tudor Jones treats a losing trade like a small, clean fact, not a personal insult. The single most dangerous phrase in trading is, "It will come back." Sometimes it does. But the one time it does not, adding to that loser can erase months of careful work. Take the small loss. Protect the account. Live to trade tomorrow. So make yourself one promise, and tattoo it on your brain. My stop is my exit, and I will never move it further away. You can always move a stop to protect a profit. You may never, ever move it to give a loss more room. The moment you widen a stop to avoid being wrong, you have stopped trading and started gambling. And if you feel the urge to add to a losing position, treat that urge as a loud alarm bell. It is almost never a real opportunity. It is your ego trying to avoid admitting a small, harmless mistake. And now rule number 3, the one that takes real humility. When you are trading badly, trade smaller. Most people do the exact opposite. They lose, they get angry, and they size up to win it all back fast. That is how a small drawdown becomes a disaster. Paul Tudor Jones does the reverse. When he is in a losing streak, he cuts his size right down, sometimes to almost nothing, until he feels in sync with the market again. He is not trying to get even. He is trying to stop the bleeding and protect his mind. Losing small when you are cold is how you are still standing when you get hot again. So build yourself this simple rule. When you hit a set number of losses in a row, you automatically cut your position size in half, or you step away entirely for the day. You do not need permission, and you do not need to feel like it. It is automatic, decided in advance, exactly like your stops. This one habit protects you from the most expensive moment in trading, the moment right after a loss when you are angry and desperate to get it back. In that moment, you cannot trust your feelings. So you trust your rule instead. That is what discipline really looks like. So let us put the three together, because this is what real risk management is. 1. Protect your capital before you chase profit. 2. Cut losses fast and never add to a loser. And 3. Trade smaller when you are cold, not bigger. Notice, not one of these tells you how to win. Everyone tells you how to not lose badly. And that is the great secret Paul Tudor Jones understood. You do not have to be right often to succeed. You just have to make sure that being wrong never destroys you. Survival first. Everything else is built on top of staying alive. And if you have ever blown up an account, or moved a stop, or doubled down on a loser and watched it get worse, please hear this. You are not reckless by nature, and you are not alone. Almost every trader learns risk management the hard way, by first learning what happens without it. That is exactly why the quiet community around this channel exists. No hype, no signals to buy, no promises. Just traders learning to protect their capital and their minds before anything else. The free link is in the description if you want people who put survival first. So before you go, take just one of these 3 rules into your next session. Set your loss before you enter. Never move a stop the wrong way. Or trade smaller when you are cold. Master one, then add the next. And tell me down in the comments, which of Paul Tudor Jones's rules do you most need to hear right now? Be honest, we have all ignored risk management at some point. Subscribe if you want tomorrow's lesson, and remember this. Great traders are not the ones who never lose. They are the ones who never lose too much. See you in the next one.